everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 964 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Marc Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer. And this is a product that I got in my September 2020 BoxyCharm Premium box, and I was so excited to get a Marc Jacobs product. I think that's such an awesome high-end brand to get in BoxyCharm. This retails for $29, but I got it in my box that cost $35 for all of the products I got. So if you want to see my unboxing to see all of the products I got, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I got this in the shade Raspberry Beret, and it's not exactly a color I would have chosen for myself. I don't feel like when I first look at it, it seems like a color that's super wearable for me, but it's a little out of my comfort zone, so I'm excited to try it out. It seems like a really great quality product, just even from the packaging is beautiful. And then it says that it has antioxidant rich superfoods and cell repairing phytonutrients plus vitamin A and C to give a lot of shine, great pigment. So I love a pigmented gloss. And so it has a rounded tip, flexible applicator. Let me do a swatch. I mean, it's a beautiful shade. Like, I love a purpley pink shade just in general. It's one of my favorite colors, but I'm not so sure how flattering it's gonna look on me and how wearable it'll be, but I'm excited to find out. So I'm gonna go right ahead and let's see how it looks. And it has a really nice minty scent to it. I love mint, and I especially love mint scented lip balms. I feel like it makes me feel like my breath is refreshed, and sometimes it gives a little cooling feeling to the lips, so we'll see if that happens. Definitely a very nice and comfortable formula. And you know what? I'm looking at the color in my lips in this small mirror right now, and I love this color. Even if it doesn't look super flattering on me with my makeup look today, this color makes me happy because, like I said, it's one of my favorite colors. And wearing this bright pink purple on my lips makes me smile, makes me happy, so you know what? I'm gonna wear it and I'm happy about it. So now let me step back and look at, I mean, it's wearable. I don't think it looks super strange at all. I do have a very minimal, this is kind of like my minimal daily makeup look. I don't have eyeshadows on, but I feel like I could add some fun color to my eye look and it would pull this whole lip makeup look together. But it's such a pretty color, so I'm very happy with it. Like I love this color. I am so happy I got this in my box because it's not something I would have chosen for myself, but it makes me so happy, and I absolutely love it. Like I do have this color in my collection actually, now that I think about it, in an LA Colors lip product, but I don't have many of this color, so I want to wear this a lot, especially when it makes me just feel so happy. And a lip color that makes you feel happy is going to look good on you because happiness looks good on you. That sounds really cheesy, but it is the truth. But okay, besides the color, which I just can't get over, every time I look in the mirror I'm like, this color is amazing. This formula is so nice. My lips feel so hydrated, and they look so hydrated because this really does have such high shine. And I do think it has a slight cooling feeling on my lips too, maybe because of that mint. I wouldn't really say it's a plumping gloss, but it is very cooling, refreshing, hydrating, just feels really nice on the lips. And since it's such high shine, it does enhance the lips, and I feel like my lips look smoothed out. So all around, I love this, and I think the color is what's making me love it even more. And now that I see this color on my lips, it looks more pink on my lips than the purple shade in the packaging here, don't you think? But I also feel like this is a shade that would look good on everybody. So if you got this shade, what is it called again? Raspberry Beret. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And if you did get it and maybe you're like me and at first you're like, oh my gosh, that's not a shade I would ever wear, try it on because I really think this shade will look good on everyone. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.